Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. And yes, as you can see, I have in my hands the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is a 2021 Hot Wheels treasure hunt. Yes, this is the first time I've ever unboxed a treasure hunt. And the only reason I'm unboxing this is because I found two more in the dump bin. There were two more of these. One of them was on a mint card, so I decided to save that. And I got another one to trade. This is from Then and Now, number 10 of 10. This is a super sick and slick casting, as you can see. Love the card work. Very slick casting. This was at a Shaw's, and I'm opening this because this has a damaged card. 190 of 250 on the year. So it's got a damaged card and I have a duplicate, so why not open it up for my collection? I'm not going to sell it anytime soon. GTC 93. Then and Now. In Then and Now series, there's 5 pairs of cars, one from the past and one from the present. Alright. Yes, I'm opening up my treasure hunt. And there's the logo right there. The open was really clean, so I can just put it right back in there if I wanted to, but you can see that logo right there. The treasure hunt logo. It doesn't say congratulations, you found a treasure hunt car, because this is an international card, and some people from all over the world can't read English. But open up my treasure hunt today. First treasure hunt opening. I am loving that. This is my first loose treasure hunt. Wow. Beauty. Oh, we got good spinning wheels. Great spinning wheels on these. What are these called? These are called LW wheels, lace wheels. And they're white. Beautiful treasure hunt we got in our hands here. And there is the treasure hunt logo right there. Look at that. White treasure hunt logo. White wheels, MX-5 right on the side. Oh man, this thing is gorgeous. MX-5 right there. Look at the front. Painted headlights, painted stripes. Wow, I'm so glad I opened this one up. Just a really slick, sick casting. And parking lights too. Look at the parking lights. The shape there, that's where the license plate's supposed to be. Didn't even notice that till I opened it. But yeah, treasure hunt. All the red is diecast, and we got a convertible. Japanese import convertible with the steering on the left side. Thing is gorgeous. It almost looks like a... Nah, I don't want to say it looks like a Mustang, because it probably doesn't. What? Oh, reversed. Alright, Mazda. Can't read it from here. But yeah, the treasure hunt logo is on the back fenders. And there's the base. 2018 copyright. 91 Mazda Miata. Gonna be a great one to keep in my collection. I'm gonna display this one. I'm not gonna play with this one too much. But this one I just want to keep really nice and fresh. Thanks to everyone that tuned in. I just unboxed a 2021 Treasure Hunt Hot Wheels. And here's another look at that logo right there. Sorry if the video went on for pretty long. I just want you guys to enjoy with me this awesome 2021 treasure hunt. Another look at the logo on the packaging. 91 Mazda Miata. Thanks for tuning in. And happy hunting to everyone. Hope you guys find a treasure hunt. If you haven't found one yet, I pray that you do. And just found my first super treasure hunt, so if I can find one, you can find one. This is Sam, signing